small shape in the shadows, curled up by the drain, ribs counting every heartbeat, little dog in the rain.
Paws on broken concrete, eyes too tired to shine,
watching feet just pass by, like he's running out of time. But hold on, little heart, someone's walking your way through the quiet of the evening, through the gray every day. Hold on, aching bones, to this thin, fragile thread. Pain is learning how to leave you.
hope is up ahead. He hears careful footsteps, soft voice saying hey,
a gentle coat around him, hands that do not turn away. Warm car, trembling, breathing, lights in some small room, water washing old hurt, blood and dirt from every wound. So hold on, little heart, someone found you today, in the shiver of the doorway, in the cold and the rain. Hold on, hungry soul, to this soft, steady hand. Pain is slowly turning backward. Love will help you stand. Blanket on the sofa, name whispered in the dark, kisses on his forehead, fingers feeling every scar. Empty bowl now shining, waiting by his side. He falls asleep to breathing, and the chest that rises light. Now rest easy, little heart, you are safe, you are home. Every night has a morning, you won't face it alone. Rest now, tired soul, on this warm, beating chest. All that hurt became a story, all that's left is rest.